Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Kids Teach Kids. So, today our lesson is math, and you will need a whiteboard and a whiteboard marker or a paper and a pencil. Now I'm going to circle the symbol that we will be using today in our lesson. Okay, it looks like we're going to be using a plus sign. That means we're going to be doing addition equations, and we're also going to be doing addition number sentences. Let's listen to this story problem.
Hold on. Okay.
Jack has 25 beans. He gets 25 more. How many beans does Jack have?
So we know that Jack has 25 beets, and we also know that he collected 25 more. So now let's count the tens.
10, 20, 30, 40. And so so 4 tens equals 40.
Now we're going to count our ones. So we know that this is going to be the number 5 because for this number it was 25. So let's just make sure and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's count this one.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So let's count them all together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So we know that this whole number is 10 and this is 40. And 40 plus 10 equals...
So let's add one more 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
So we know now that equals 50. And we also know that this number sentence equals 50.
So the number sentence is 25 plus 25 equals 50.
Great job. You passed it. Let's listen to this story problem.
Jane had 20 coins. She needs to get to 70. How many coins does she need?
So we know that Jane has 20 coins, and we know she needs to get to 70. So let's draw out some more tens that equals 70.
So here are our 20 tens, and let's count on. 30, 40, 50, 60. Now 70. So so let's cut that off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We added 5 more tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we added 5 more tens. And now we know that this is 20 and these are 5. So this is 20 right here. And these are 5 tens. So 2 tens and 5 tens. So 20 plus 50 equals 70. Great job.
Great job. You passed it.
Bye. We hope you keep up the great work.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Keep up the great work. Show this work in school.
So, we hope you had a fun time learning and a good time learning. And subscribe to Kids Teach Kids. Bye!